Welcome to Research Rocks. How to fix gray Apple ID problem comes in sometimes like this. Profile is showing like this. So how to fix this one and how to activate your profile, and you can very easily access. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply tab in the setting option and look at this. My profile is showing here in the gray color, means I'm not able to activate or tab this profile. So it's very simple how to activate this one. You need to go here in the screen time, just simply tap, again scroll down here, content and privacy restriction, you just simply tap, and again scroll down here and look at this here, account changes. Here is a don't allow activated, but you just simply tap, put it here your pin, and afterward you need to allow, and boom, afterward you can go back and look at this, the setting is activated. This is a simple tips and tricks. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.